My name is Naina Garg and currently I'm pursuing my PGDM in Insurance Business Management. And today we have Avibha Srivastava, the alumnus of BIMTech. She has also completed her PGDM in Insurance Business Management from in the batch 2018-2020. Avibha has had an impressive career trajectory working in various roles and currently working as Senior Business Analyst in LTI Mindtree. Welcome, Avibha.
Thank you. It really feels good to be back.
I'm sure it must be a nostalgic feeling for you to return to the college. Can you please share some of your experiences over when you were here?
So I had very good experience in BIMTech earlier. That is why I came here today. Good to see all those old faces. The campus has changed a lot. Still our faculty is the same. I feel very good to interact with the first year students, and I really felt I could at least gave them some insights, and they were all pretty nervous like we used to be back then, but I felt it was a very good session. I felt I could at least provide them some useful information which will help them in their future.
Well, those memories are truly special. Coming to the academic part, can you share some specific courses which you have done in your MBA that will help the students in their professional journey?
So some courses which really helped me in my academics as well in the corporate right now. One such certification I would say was IIBA, which BIMTech provides us. Secondly would be the statistical classes which we had, both theoretical and the other classes which had some one such course, if I could recollect, was R1 programming language, which really gave an edge over other students in that time. So R is one such course, IIBA is one such certification. Then we have various certification for AINS, CPCU, which students can at least research and try to pursue.
Okay, that's very insightful. It's always fascinating to see the direct application of academic learning in the professional world. What strategies do you keep up with the industry trends and continuously enhance your skills?
One basic mantra I would give to all the students would be just focus on the domain knowledge. Okay. Even right now when I'm in the middle of transition, I am giving my interviews. In that also, every recruiter is focusing on the domain knowledge. Nobody is asking us the insurance in and out. They are not expecting that from first year students as well. But if their domain knowledge is updated, they are strong with the domain, they can easily crack any interviews, be it for their SIPs or the placements.
Okay. So finally, what advice would you give to the students who are aspiring to build a career in business analysis, especially in terms of skills and networking?
Networking helps a lot. LinkedIn is a very good platform. There are various alumni of BIMTech on LinkedIn. They can easily reach out to any of us and we are happy to help. Also, apart from networking, I would say students should really start focusing on analytical skills such as data analysis, which is a great, which is in boom right now.
Okay.
If a student has a command over advanced Excel, basic SQL if they know, basic data analysis tools if they are well versed with, it gives them an edge over other students in the industry right now.
Okay, thank you so much, Avibha, for this insightful talk and to share your journey.
Thank you.